Bass Pro Shops and Cabela's Boating Centers are committed to providing you more boat and more quality for your money, starting at the manufacturing level. White River Marine Group is, by volume, the world's #1 boat builder. With that comes the ability to select quality materials and components at better prices. And by employing the same best practices used by global leaders in other industries, White River Marine Group reduces costs by eliminating waste and continuously improving quality. Plus, White River Marine Group designs and produces many of the components in its own boats. This allows the company to eliminate costs associated with middlemen suppliers while increasing quality. The result? Savings that are passed on to you.